let's quickly take a look at the way that you compose an email inside of Outlook. If this is your first time trying to send an email using your Outlook account, let me show you the quick process. Open up Outlook.com, or if you're using your mobile app as well, it's going to be the same process. You just need to click on the option which says New Mail. Once you click on it, this tab will open up where you'll have different sections such as to, so the person that you're trying to send the email to, the subject of the email, and the body content goes in this section. Once you add it in all of these three sections, you can also add in the CC or the PCC by clicking on these options, and you can just click on send. You can also schedule this mail if you want to send it later on by clicking on schedule mail, and you'll be able to select the date and time of the send as well. So that was a quick tutorial on the way that you compose an email inside of Outlook. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.